We all know that motorcycles are lame. They're not cool looking and nobody likes them. And they only have two wheels. Introducing the triple-decker motorcycle. It's like a motorcycle, except it's awesome looking, and best of all, has three wheels. That's right, three wheels for triple the awesomeness. We all know how difficult it is when you're being chased by a bunch of evil clone hitmen to be only provided with a dumb old two-wheeled motorcycle, but with the triple-decker motorcycle, you can have a quick escape. And we all know that selling cookies is hard enough without having a two-wheeled motorcycle around, but with the triple-decker motorcycle, it can help you gain customers. And we've all been there when you're late to a motorcycle race, but you don't want to take your dumb old two-wheeled motorcycle. But with the triple-decker motorcycle, you could finish any race with ease. There's even room for the whole family on it and your plant. Yes, the triple-decker motorcycle has it all. Still not convinced? Here's what our satisfied customers had to say.
It has three wheels. It's so cool. It changed my life.
I hate it. I look like a dork when I drive to work, and it's not very well balanced. What I meant was the triple-decker motorcycle is awesome. So say goodbye to cars, speeder bikes, warthogs, little spaceships, big spaceships, medium-sized spaceships, and especially dumb two-wheeled motorcycles. Get the new triple-decker motorcycle now!
In order to run a triple-decker motorcycle, you must use a special triple-decker motorcycle battery, which is sold separately for $10,000 million. Conditions and restrictions apply. Must be 18 or older to order.